Hi everybody, my name's Karen Holden. I run a city law firm, hopefully you've heard of us. We're a leading 500 law firm specialising particularly in surrogacy. I'm really excited that you've now been able to restart your journey to having that exciting dream of a family. Obviously, I know it's been very difficult during lockdown, but hopefully you've been able to do a lot of homework, take some advice, and really understand the whole process, maybe choose your jurisdiction. And for those of you that have been fortunate to find a surrogate, fantastic news. I'd like to help you on your journey with my family team. We'd like to give you some early initial advice and help you with a smooth journey. So why would you use a UK solicitor? Well, what we can do to assist you is give you some initial advice on the entire process from start to finish, answer any burning questions you have, and help guide you through the whole process so that you're prepared and on sound footing. We can actually even help you choose the jurisdiction by discussing benefits, the risks, the practicalities, the legalities. We work across all of the international community for surrogacy. And even though you may have that in America or Canada, there's still a lot of practicalities and legalities you need to consider for when you come back into the UK, as you'll still need to consider UK immigration, the new birth certificate and parental order you need here in the UK. And we work in a very small, intimate community. We all know each other. We can help advise you on trusted advisors to go to. We can work with any providers that you've chosen. And we can even help you within our ecosystem if you need to find agents or lawyers in the jurisdiction you've chosen. My team are very friendly and very approachable. We're all about practical advice rather than legal jargon. We want you to walk out the door, or now in virtual Zoom, with all the answers readily available to you. We'll help you understand the importance of a UK parental order, which gives you parental rights legally here in the UK. It will give you a new birth certificate with yourself, and if there's another intended parent, the birth certificate in both of your names. That'll help with medical decisions, and obviously going forward it gives you ultimate parental responsibilities. We do everything by fixed fee, so you know absolutely upfront, transparently what you're going to be given by us, what advice we can and can't give, and what the costs are involved. We hope that you will trust us to embark on your journey. Now, if something does go wrong, and I have to be honest with you, things do happen. We have a really good background of handling these matters. And I have to say, in all the years that we've been doing this, there's nothing we haven't been able to resolve. And I'm going to give you a bit of feel. So, for example, we've had a couple separate during the parental process, but we've managed to challenge the UK law and actually change that. And we're actually part of the reported case. We've had, unfortunately, the biological parent die during the proceedings and the child's been stuck overseas because technically and legally they weren't able to come over with the non-biological parent to the UK. But again, our family team reacted very quickly, and using traditional family laws with the Ukraine laws, we've able to bring the child back. We've also had where a surrogate has unfortunately changed their mind or held out for additional sums. It has been sadly a high court battle, but we won. The child is safe and sound with the parents that it should have been with from the very start, and everything's been resolved amicably. So even though it's not something you want to think about, we're here for you. If something does go wrong, we hope to prevent it with good, sound, reactive advice. But if it does, we're here to go to court or settle as need be. We have a very strong litigation team. Perhaps you have problems with your employer if you need to actually leave to go and see the birth of your child. Again, our employment team can assist you. We can update your wills, helps with trusts. We will give you the immigration advice and practical advice you need in order to bring your child safely back to the UK. And if something does go wrong, we need to look at contact orders, child arrangement orders, even worst case scenario, adoption orders. We've got it all in-house for you. So there's nothing really you need to worry about. We are here for you. Unfortunately, we weren't able to attend the Modern Day Family Show because unfortunately, with the lockdown, we're having to do everything virtual, but we do hope to see you in March of 2021. But in the meantime, if we can offer you a complimentary chat with any of our family team, we would love to do so. We're here for you. Please, here's our contact details. Please get in touch and think of us. Thank you.